lot of times as a plumbing inspector, I'll run into homeowners who get confused on the proper use for a sanitary T. A sanitary T should be only used in the vertical position when below the flood level rim of a fixture. And what does that mean? Well, if you had a sink and you were to overflow it wherever it would overflow, or a toilet where it would overflow, or a tub. And so anything below that should essentially be what they call a drainage fitting, which would be Ys and combos. But a sanitary T can also be used, and is used quite a bit, but in the vertical position, not horizontal or not on its back. Well, what does that mean? Let's take a look. So that is a sanitary T, and you can see it's in the vertical position. It arcs down, and that would be approved, right? But if you took it and you turned it on its back below the flood level rim, so in a drainage setting, it would not be allowed. And you would say to yourself, well, why? It's arced right here. Well, a Y or a combo has a bigger arc to it, and so if it ever backs up, it would be easier for whatever backs up in there to come out, and it would also be easier to auger out or to get a snake into it. And so they like to only see these particular fittings installed on the vertical position until you get into a vent setting. So let's look at another one. So here we have a laundry, and you can see this laundry comes down, it has its trap, and it goes into a sanitary T, again in the vertical position. So keep in mind when you're buying your fittings, stick with Ys and combos. If you have anything going horizontal, and when you get to vertical situations, you can move to the sanitary T. This has been with Construction Countdown on Sanitary Ts. Hopefully that helps you get through your plumbing project and keeps you moving.